Want to know how to check if a string is an isogram in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. So isogram is basically a word with no repeating letters. So in this code right here, we take input and convert it into lowercase first up. So we have let our users just simply input any string right here. So we can just simply select any one of these. So in this code, we take input first and convert it into lowercase. Then we loop through each character and check if its first occurrence is different from its last. So we have used this for loop right here in order to check it. Now, it means that it repeats somewhere. So if any character repeats anyway, we mark it false. Finally, we print the result, and it's simple but powerful. And that's it. Super simple and easy. It's really interesting way to practice and yeah, way to handle loops in Java. It's perfect for logic building for beginners as well. So you can see as I write Anna, not an isogram, and that's execution is successful. And if I just simply write pay right here, it should be an isogram. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.